17th to 19th of November 2011, the brand new international pet trade exhibition ParkZoo took place in Moscow in Sokolniki Exhibition Center. Pet business in Russia had long been waiting for a large-scale trade show in Moscow, and organized by Artists Expo, this event had a great success.
Мы постарались сделать нашу выставку привлекательной не только экспонентам, но и посетителям.
We've tried to make our exhibition attractive both for exhibitors and visitors. We've organized a very good business program, and I think everyone can choose seminars and training sessions which would be of interest for them. We are very glad to host such a trade event as ParkZoo show. It attracts both visitors of exhibitions and mass media. I hope next year our cooperation will continue and the exhibition will be even larger. A large number of pet professionals, manufacturers, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, also mass media visited the ParkZoo exhibition at the first day. All of them had a great opportunity to communicate at the same place, both with major players of the pet industry as well as with beginners in this business. An exhibition is a very good opportunity for journalists to communicate with interesting people, to receive the information firsthand, to learn new trends, to know about new products in the market. It makes the exhibition extraordinarily attractive. The ParkZoo 2011 trade show took place in two large and airy halls and was broken down into the following main sections: products for cats, dogs, decorative birds, exotic animals and rodents, aquaria and terraria products, veterinary medicine, specialized literature. Most of exhibitors have represented the new products focused on the Russian consumer first of all. So one of leading Russian pet suppliers, Walter Pet Products Company, has surprised again with a large assortment of high-quality pet products from the European countries and the USA. I'm very happy that the Moscow project has started and that we have such an opportunity to present at the show in our home city all that we have achieved for 15 years of our major life. Therefore, we represent even 6 stands at the first exhibition ParkZoo. Except our own stand Walter, we have some more brand stands at which we'd like to focus our clients' attention especially. And at the end of the second day, I can tell that we succeeded in everything. More than 100 companies from Russia, Ukraine, Germany, Belgium, the USA, Sweden, Brazil, Italy, China and Thailand took part in the exhibition. A big choice of brands and pet products impressed very much. Except familiar to the Russian consumer goods, exhibitors demonstrated there as newcomers. For example, the largest distributor of premium goods, Suprema Company, together with its basic assortment, presented a new pet food brand.
Ну, кроме всех остальных своих брендов, которые уже всем известны, на этой выставке мы представляем...
Except all other brands which are already known for everyone, at this exhibition we represent English pet food, Wish for Dogs. We introduced them to the consumers at the dog show in October. The effect was very good. And at this exhibition we applied to another target audience, where retailers, wholesalers, original clients, who can be distributors of these goods too. Actually, the target audience on ParkZoo differed much from other similar exhibitions. Organizers focused on introduction of pet industry achievements directly to pet business professionals. After all, we, as nobody else, are interested in production promotion, and the goal was successfully realized. I'm very pleased that the visitors of this show are industry professionals, not consumers. I mean, not these ordinary passers-by who come just to have a look or to get a free sample. Professionals who are working in this business, interested in novelties, have gathered here. Generally, businessmen visit this exhibition. You will not meet here people who are not engaged in serious business. We are satisfied with results and hope for effective cooperation. Even sophisticated visitors were surprised. So the stand of Dizzy Company with overalls and accessories with Olympic symbol like Sochi 2014 was completely unexpected for many representatives of pet business.
Мы на этой выставке представляем продукцию, уже готовые образцы с символикой.
At this exhibition, we represent products with symbolic of Sochi 2014. There will be accessories for pets, such as clothes, caps, beds, bags and carrings. Also, we will be collars, leashes, retractable leashes and balls. Olympic symbolics made an indelible impression on visitors. A match for it was only impressive goods from haute culture. Some pet accessories follow last design tendencies that should stress specific features of pet owners, the manufacturer's mind.
Flexi сделала фокус на линейке дизайн.
Flexi has focused on design. Here our basic products are presented: Fashion Gentleman, Fashion Lady and Fashion Collection. Collection is our novelty. It is represented in two sizes, S and M. It means for dogs under 12 kilos and dogs under 25 kilos, perfectly realizing that the Russian market became not only capacious, but also demanding. Manufacturers aspired to satisfying even the most punctilious clients.
We are producing collars and leashes for dogs and cats, and also some things for horses now.
Besides the cat and dog products, visitors' attention was attracted by aquariums and equipment for them. There was a various choice of aquarium items, from unique design aquariums to new fish food and care items. Plenty of new names impressed visitors who were really interested in trends of the aquarium industry.
Мы разработали новые технологии производства, которые позволили делать.
We have developed new production technologies which have allowed to produce two-colored chips, but we are already well known in the market. Now we represent two-colored granules which nobody has made before. Also we represent a new type of aquarium care which makes aquarium care simple and safe. At this exhibition we have represented 4 new products which we make in tablets similar to action of sparkling aspirin. However, except aquariums, accessories and pet food, visitors were also interested in last use in the field of veterinary science, new tendencies in treatment, medicines and vaccines, skincare and anti-allergic ointments, and they could get all the information at the show. The ParkZoo project was a place where people could learn about new products and receive professional advice.
Я думаю, что всему ветеринарному сообществу этот проект очень интересный по двум причинам. Во-первых,
This project is interesting to all veterinary community for 2 reasons. First, they learn about all products and trends which exist today in the world. Second, they receive professional knowledge. Therefore, I think it is very important. We produced about 10-12 new products every year, both for pets and for productive animals. Also, we hope that our company, its products not only give us and our partners possibility to earn money, but also bring pleasure to owners of pets. One of the special features of ParkZoo was an informative business program. It offered seminars and training sessions on a variety of themes with leading industry experts. How to sell pet foods in pet stores, what the law says about the pets industry, merchandising, managing the wish to buy. There was also a veterinary dermatology conference. Exhibiting companies held their own masterclasses. Over 1,000 people took part in the business program. Seminars and conferences, new products area and various competitions make ParkZoo a unique event in Russia. For convenience of participants, the business center was constantly open and provided business services to its guests, Wi-Fi internet access, copying and others.
If I have to be very honest, I'm surprised at the quality of the stands that I see around me. It's not only that they're branded and built up in a very modern, visible way.
Исторически сложилось так, что выставка была все время в Санкт-Петербурге.
It happened so that the large Russian trade exhibition was always held in St. Petersburg, but we see that Moscow is a region which is a basic region in Russian pet business. It is developing and we need a professional exhibition exactly in Moscow.
So, the organization is quite good. It is quite a good show. This is my first time in Russia, so I don't have any other experience to compare, but I think it's quite a good show with lots of big companies.
I think it's a nice show. I mean, the level of exhibitor is quite high. Also, the pavilion is the location. I mean, is pretty nice.
Presenting the expositions, many companies focused on products' unique features. For example, Color Company from Ukraine launched new easy sports equipment for dogs, Puller.
Собаки очень с ним играются, опять же, если это на воде, в бассейне или на озере.
Dogs like to play with it a lot. If dogs are on water in the pool or on lake, we swim for it with pleasure, carry. It's very durable. Puller can be definitely used for about 2 months. At the ParkZoo exhibition, new products in pet food production are of great interest. And pets' appetite certainly will rise from that assortment, which has been represented at the Aroma Line company stand. This year, our company, our supplier, has presented many interesting news to our clients. And first of all, these are 7 items of high-quality canned food. Remarkable canned food for cats, chicken breast with different filling. Have a look at this jar, please. What is it? It is pure chicken breast cut in slices, and 15 peeled shrimps are also added here. This is a real delicacy for our kitties. ParkZoo was the first trade show in Russia to organize a new products area. Their exhibitors and visitors could get familiar with all Russian pet market newcomers of 2011. Everyone could vote for the best product in one of the 5 categories. The winners were announced at the end of the second day at the grand dinner for all the exhibitors, with their awarded with prizes and honor. However, competitions and awarding were held at many stands, for example, at the Unitex company stand.
На выставке ParkZoo мы тоже проводим 2 достаточно серьезных мероприятия.
At the ParkZoo show, we carry out 2 rather serious events. The first one is the final of internet competition on nano aquariums Denali decoration. It's a small, very nice aquarium. And the second one is a masterclass
школьников из Центрального дворца творчества юных города Москвы вместе с ними, с этими опытными дизайнерами, оформляют 10 аквариумов, потом эти аквариумы попадают домой к этим школьникам, и они там за ними уже получают их подарок.
Water Company made their clients happy with traditional water party and prizes drawn among the clients who have made an order at ParkZoo. The main prize was iPad 2, the others were smartphones, the tablet computer and also a lot of brand business souvenirs.
Любой проект, в него надо поверить, да? И в этой части
It is necessary to believe in any project, and the first exhibition is very important here. If exhibitors and visitors' expectations are justified, if there is general understanding, then the project can start very successfully, because our market is interesting and developing fast. Russia is a country which attracts much interest of foreign suppliers. Therefore, I'm afraid to do focus, but ParkZoo show seems to start successfully, and business community should believe in it and support. ParkZoo was a really great event in the Russia pet market. Every visitor discovered something new and useful, got new contacts and agreements. I wish to tell that the organization of the exhibition ParkZoo here in Moscow is excellent. The exhibition is large, there are a lot of visitors, professionals here. In total, more than 5,000 professionals from all regions of Russia and from abroad have visited the ParkZoo 2011 Pet Trade Fair for 3 days. In their opinion, the project appeared rather successful and promising.
Участие в выставке – это самое лучшее вложение в рекламу.
Exhibiting in a good trade show is the best investment in promotion and advertising, because here we communicate with our partners, with our clients directly.